What's up, guys? James Bortle here. Just got done building my wedge ramp. It says DGK on it. Well, DGK all day. JB was here. It's my face, my wedge ramp. And I can also turn it into a 4 or a 3 stair. So maybe I'll do a video of that sometime. My awesome 3 stairness. I gotta move my platform back so you'll be able to see some more. Sucked. So I'll go for another one. Hope you like my video. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.